Let's be creative, let's be innovative. Hey guys, welcome to Kids Innovation. And today we're going to make a slime. Not just the ordinary slime, a glow-in-the-dark slime. Let's get started. You will need a cup, lens solution, a mixing spoon and glue. First, put the whole glue inside the cup or bowl. After putting the glue inside the ball, put the lens solution and then mix it. After mixing the slime, put any kind of glitter you like. I'm choosing glue in the dark so it glows. Now I'm going to put purple glitter inside, because it's my favorite color, purple, and so it can glitter and shimmer in the sun. That's it. Now I'll mix it so the ingredients are mixed well. Mixing is done. Our slime is ready. Woohoo! Just have to take it out. I think that much. Let's take our slime out. Woohoo! Now I can play with it. I better check if it glows. Well, I want to play first with the glittery slime. Then I'll check if it glows. Wow, how stretchy and glittery is it? It's watery kind of, but after this it will be nice and stretchy. Fun! It's so fun! How cool is my slime? When I will check if it glows. Oh my goodness, my sister is crying. Okay, there. We tried to show you guys glow in the dark, but it glowed a little because I put a lot of glitter inside. If you want to make it more glue, you can put it in the sun. And don't forget to like. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye.